All right, welcome back to the homestead. We need to fix this, and so this is way too big, and I hate it. So we're gonna make one without that in there, and so it should look something along these lines. This one will go in the round file because I don't need that anymore. And then we'll cut this one out, and this will be the new pattern. Yeah, new pattern, old pattern. So you learn from your mistakes. No big deal. So next thing we're going to work on is making these little tassels I like. Just using the same leather, and then figure out a way to get them onto those cords there. Let's square this up to start. All right, so I got these little 7mm domed rivets here. They are about the width of my scratch awl. So basically what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'll pierce this thong . So what I've just marked here is my glue space, and so I don't want any glue on the outside because that's going to be outside of that loop, and then on this side I don't want any glue this way because I'm going to want this glue free so I can pass this through. Hopefully that makes some sense. So basically I can do that kind of same thing here. I can go. Put 3 domed rivets right in the center of this. 1, 2, and 3. These are pretty easy. Pop them in, set them right on this rubber that I've been working on. Come on, baby, get in there. Pop their little end in. The old taparoo. Voila. Alright, next quest is punching these holes. So what do we want this to look like? We're definitely going to hole there. I was kind of thinking of bringing that in a bit. Maybe hole. I want to go right in line with that. I think that's a little bit off right there. Holy cow. Alright, these are interesting little buggers. They come with a setter and an anvil. I'm going to put the nice clean factory edge on the outside, and I hope to God this is going to be long enough, which it might not be. So this first one is going through a lot of leather, so it might not work as well as we want it to. We might have to, actually, yeah, that's just way too thick, so we're not going to worry so much about this first one, because it's also not going to be really sliding through there. And so now the question is, where's the center between these two, which is, just go between the stitch lines. Sometimes metric is worthwhile, especially when you're just finding a half. So 68, so 34. 34. There we go. Fold up some tassels. Why do I feel that's too short? See if we can get enough smoosh here. All right, we got some smoosh. This is going to be a little more of a challenge. Not quite sure what I'm going to do here. I may just double them over like that and do the same thing. That's probably my best bet. Now, because it wasn't such a pain in the butt before, I'm going to sew. See, on my other ones I sewed a square all the way around, but because of this I can't. So I am going to sew partially around this though, because I want it to be all held together. Now the dogs are awake. There it is, the Rob Roy Sporran. Pretty easy little project. There will be an additional, I'll do an addendum, because remember I said I wanted to make a low hanger strap, so I'll do that in an addendum video. But that's about it. I guess the next thing to do is go try it on. Let's see how the full set looks. So there's the full set. My EDC pouch. It's my Rob Roy. This holds my wallet. And then this is the cell phone pouch. So yeah, next thing, well, one last thing we got to do. You can see the sheen on these ones versus this one. I got to do some acrylic Resolene over these parts. That's simple. Just wipe some acrylic Resolene on, let it dry. So that about wraps her up. Thanks for stopping by the Northwind Homestead. Look for that addendum video if you're interested on that low hanger strap for that one. But otherwise, we'll see you next time.